Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about and explain to you how to remove people or objects from a photo on your iPhone. But first let's hit that subscribe and like button, it really helps me out. So let's first of all go to the App Store and search for, as you can see here, Snapseed, and it looks like this. It's a free app and it's very useful. So let's open the app, click on it, and as you can see it's very basic. So what you're going to do is click on the plus button, and as you can see here all of my pictures and my camera roll. You can open other pictures from your device or take a picture, but let's just take this sunset picture. So I really like this picture, but I want to get loose of the people in the sea. So let's get the tools down below and search for healing. It's over here with the bandages. And now I'm gonna zoom in on the part I would like to remove. And as I swipe, you see a red line appearing. And once you get loose, you see the people are gone. And I'm gonna do that over here the same, and the people are gone. So guys, this is a very simple photo, and the more difficult the photo is, the harder it of course is. But just be patient, it takes some time and it's very easy. And just be patient and try, and let's make it better. You can go over it as many times as you like and it will be better. And after you've done, of course this isn't done, this isn't pretty enough, but for example, you can always hit on the button over here and you can export it and share and save it over here, or save a copy or share it to some social media account. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about and explain to you how to remove people